So with my marketing game plan at this time, one is to really to keep doing it, to do the things that actually is working and take out the things that are not working. So for instance, right now what's really working is my SEO digital plan. Amazing how well this is actually coming together every single day, every single week, every single month. So I'm keeping that going. Also doing the PPC, pay per click on Google to make sure that I'm able actually to target people. And so since we can only do emergency ads, then that's what I actually make sure we do. We do emergency ads to take advantage of the situation. Everybody else is pretty much stopped advertising. Stay relevant on social media, so just do some posts on Instagram and Facebook to let know people we're still here. I'm not going anywhere. Email is a big one, definitely. Weekly newsletters, monthly newsletters. Email is a way to just kind of stay engaged in the front of people's minds. Even though they might not open it, they may see it come through, and even if they delete it, they still got my email. One thing I did kind of slow down is really just the YouTube paid commercial advertisement, just because I know people are home and they're seeing a lot more Netflix and Hulu's and stuff like that. However, there's a lot of noise out there, so I didn't want to get too involved in social media and pay for stuff that people may not or may not actually see. They're going to be a lot more active on the internet looking for dentists. So emergency PPC is really important, but then as people pull back on their SEO and I guess internet real estate, I'm keeping it strong because that's where it's going to be. The more real estate I have in the future, the more relevant I'm going to be.